Hey friends, are you thinking about taking your education to the next level and applying to graduate school abroad? If yes, then sooner or later you're going to encounter three little letters that might feel intimidating at first. GRE. The GRE is the gateway for anyone aiming for a master's degree abroad. It's not just another exam, it's a test that can shape your future opportunities. In this video, we're going to break it all down for you what the GRE actually is, why it matters, its structure, and most importantly, how you can master it with the right preparation. So stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to tackle the GRE confidently. Alright, let's start with the basics. GRE stands for Graduate Record Examination and it's a standardized test used worldwide for graduate school admissions. You can think of it like the SOTA or Act, but specifically designed for graduate programs. Now, who should take the GRE? Well, if you're aiming for a master's, MBA, or PhD, especially in countries like the USA or Canada, this test is often a must. In fact, it's accepted in over 150 countries, including Australia, North America, and many more, making it one of the most recognized tests for graduate education. The GRE is designed to measure a few essential skills. It tests your verbal reasoning, which is all about understanding and analyzing written material. It also measures your quantitative reasoning, meaning your math and problem solving abilities. Then there's analytical writing, which evaluates how clearly and effectively you can express your ideas. And finally, it looks at your critical thinking skills, assessing your logic and reasoning. The key thing to remember is that the GRE is not a test of raw intelligence. It's about your ability to reason, think critically, and solve problems efficiently. There are actually two types of GRE. The first is the GRE General Test, which is suitable for most graduate courses. The second is the GRE Subject Test, which focuses on specific fields like mathematics, physics, chemistry, and psychology. And here's a bonus tip for you. Your GRE score is valid for 5 years, giving you plenty of flexibility when planning your applications and deciding on the right time to apply. The GRE is administered by ETS, and here's some exciting news. The test is now much shorter. It used to last around 4 hours, but the new format is only 2 hours, and that's without any break. So what does the exam look like now? Let me break it down for you. There's analytical writing, which is just one task and takes 30 minutes. Then we have verbal reasoning with 2 sections totaling 40 questions to be completed in 60 minutes. Finally, quantitative reasoning also has 2 sections with 40 questions, and you get 70 minutes for this part. Let's take a closer look at each section. For analytical writing, you'll present your perspective on an issue and support it with clear examples. In verbal reasoning, you'll face reading comprehension passages, text completion tasks, and sentence equivalence questions. Watch, and the difficulty adapts as you progress. For quantitative reasoning, you'll deal with topics like algebra, arithmetic, data analysis, and geometry. Don't worry, the math is generally at about a 10th grade level, but the questions get more challenging as you move through the sections. Even though the test is now shorter, one thing hasn't changed. Preparation is still absolutely key. Practicing under real test conditions will help you manage time, tackle adaptive questions, and maximize your score. Now let's talk about scoring and logistics. The GRE total score ranges from 260 to 340, with the verbal and quantitative sections scored separately between 130 and 170. Your combined score gives you the overall number. For instance, a 310 or 320. The analytical writing section is scored from 0 to 6, and your final score is simply the average of your essays. For top universities, a score around 310 to 320 is usually considered competitive. You can take the GRE either at designated test centers or even from the comfort of your own home. The general test costs around 213, which is roughly Rs 22,500 in India, while the subject test is $150. If you need to reschedule, there's an additional fee of $50. You're allowed to take the exam up to 5 times a year as long as there's a 21-day gap between attempts, and the results typically arrive in 8 to 10 days. This flexibility allows you to plan multiple attempts and removes a lot of the stress. When it comes to preparation, practice is absolutely key. One of the most effective ways to get ready for the GRE is by taking mock tests. Platforms like Mockmaster provide realistic simulations of the actual GRE, helping you track your performance and manage your timing under real exam conditions. Even though the test is now shorter, the time per question hasn't changed much, so it's important to practice pacing yourself. About 1 to 1.5 minutes for verbal questions and roughly 1 minute 45 seconds for quant. For verbal reasoning, dedicate ample time over a few months and build your vocabulary every day. For quantitative reasoning, try not to rely on the calculator immediately. Use mental math, rounding, or approximation techniques to solve problems efficiently. Analytical writing requires clear examples, so always support your arguments with 2 to 3 solid examples. Another great strategy is maintaining an error log. Every time you take a practice test, note down the mistakes you made and the reasons behind them. Reviewing this log regularly helps you avoid repeating the same errors. And if you want a structured, expert-led approach, One Australia offers comprehensive GRE courses designed specifically for international aspirants, giving you guidance every step of the way. Remember, the GRE is just one stepping stone on the path to your dream graduate program. The key is to start early, stay consistent, and practice smart. With the right preparation and strategies, you can approach the exam with confidence and set yourself up for success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more insights, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. I'd love to help you out. Good luck, aspirants. Your dream university is waiting, and with determination and preparation, it's absolutely within your reach.